Good morning all. Myself Vasudev Upadhyay, and today we are going to discuss about prerequisites for module 2 of Mechanics of Solids, SFD and BMD in beams. In case of first year, we have studied course like engineering mechanics, in which we have studied different types of supports, and we know that most commonly used support connections are roller supports, for which diagram is as shown in this figure and the symbol used is as shown. In case of roller support, we will be having only vertical reaction component, whereas the second type of support connection is hinge or pin support, for which diagram will be something like this, and the reaction components are two reactions. In case of hinge support, one is horizontal reaction and the other is vertical reaction. The third type of support connection is fixed support, for which symbol used generally is like this, and the reactions in case of fixed support are three reactions. One is horizontal, another is vertical, and a movement reaction in addition to these two. So further we'll go with the types of beams that we have studied in engineering mechanics. The first system is simply supported beam, in which the symbols are like this and the total diagram is as shown. Then if we go for the analysis of it, we'll be having three reactions, two reactions at this hinge support and one reaction at this roller support, and due to external forces there will be some deflected shape in this particular way as shown in the figure. The other system is also a simply supported beam, but there may be overhang as shown in this particular diagram. So this part over B is called overhang, in which the reaction components will be same as it is, but the deflected shape will be a little bit different. The third type of beam which we have studied in first year was a cantilever beam, in which one of the support was fixed support. Due to external forces, the reactions will be only at support A, as at B it is free, there will be no reaction, and the deflected shape due to external forces will be something as shown. These three types of beams are called as statically determinate beams. In general, there may be other beams called as statically indeterminate beams, and these are propped cantilever, fixed beam, continuous beams. Thank you.